friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious sun-dried chicken in this creamy sauce that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This creamy and delicious sun-dried tomato chicken sauce and the chicken, these are the ingredients. I have mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons, half an onion, mustard, 1 tablespoon of butter with garlic and parsley, salt, black pepper, 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of sour cream, mayonnaise, and of course we need the sun-dried tomatoes, of course in that olive oil, chicken breast, and let's get ready. Let's make this amazing and delicious moist chicken. So let's get started. First things first, getting ready your chicken breast. I have small pieces of chicken breast and I am ready to start adding these ingredients to make it soft, moist, and juicy. You decide if you want a whole chicken breast or you want to slice it in small little pieces. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of mustard, yellow mustard. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And of course, salt and black pepper to taste. And now with my gloves on, I am going to rub all these ingredients into the chicken breast. Let me tell you, this combination of mustard and mayonnaise really gets your chicken moist, tender, and delicious. If you haven't tried it, try it. Let me tell you, you're going to love how your chicken is going to be so moist and delicious. On the pan, I added a little bit of vegetable oil. I am ready to add the chicken. I let the chicken sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes before I started cooking it. I am going to cook it in medium heat so that all those amazing juices that the chicken releases cooks the chicken. Of course, I am going to continue by slicing half an onion in small little pieces. Remember, I am cooking the chicken in medium heat. I have the sun-dried tomatoes in olive oil, and now I'm ready to just cut in little pieces so that they really incorporate into the sauce that we are going to make. Look at this. Once this is done, let's go and start flipping our chicken breast. Like I told you, cook it in medium heat. This is gonna really get the chicken really crispy from the outside, but yet from the center, it's going to be so juicy and moist. And it really doesn't take too long to enjoy this amazing recipe at home with your beautiful family. Once the chicken has browned from both sides, you are ready to start adding the rest of the ingredients into the pan. All those drippings are going to make this sauce just amazing. 1 tablespoon of the butter, garlic, parsley, half an onion diced, and of course 1 cup of regular milk, 2 cups of sour cream. You could substitute with heavy cream, but I love doing it this way. To tell you the truth, this really comes out nice and thick. The flavors with all those drippings of the chicken, my gosh, just amazing. And here I'm adding the sun-dried tomatoes. I am going to cook it in very low heat so that it really gets nice and thick. After a couple minutes, and it's getting nice and thick, I am going to start laying right on the top all the pieces of the chicken breast. Cook it for another 5 minutes in medium-low heat so that the chicken really absorbs all those amazing flavors. Let me tell you, this recipe comes out perfect every time. Once you make your chicken the way I made it today, you're going to fall in love with it. You got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Remember, only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. And thank you so much for being part of my family. Look at this. My home smells amazing. All those aromas of the sauce and the ingredients, just perfection, made at home. Of course, my mouth is watering and I am ready to prepare a small little plate for myself. You could add some steamed rice, some veggies, some pasta. You decide. But here I'm showing you exactly how the chicken comes out. I can't wait to enjoy it. My mouth is watering, and I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this creamy and delicious chicken in this moist and creamy sauce. Excuse me. So amazing. The chicken is so tender, really moist. The sauce with the sun-dried tomatoes, just perfection made at home. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing, tender, moist chicken. See you soon. Bye-bye.